Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change PSD format to JPG in Photopea software. So get it started. At first open your Photopea software. Now you can see convert PSD to JPG. Now you can see now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option. Now we find your PSD file. Now click from open. I can see, then you show the PSD file, this convert from JPG. Now you can see, then again file menu option, then click. Now click from export as option. Now click from JPG. That it's. Now you can see the file name, now format, and width, height, and pixel, and quality. I have quality from 100. Now click from save option. That it's. Now you can see convert PSD to JPG in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.